Welcome to our video. Today the topic discussed will be covering the strategies used by big entrepreneurs to make millions on their dropshipping stores. Make sure to subscribe for new videos. In the last couple of months, many people have built new stores using this strategy and have reported close to millions of dollars in revenue. We'll be sharing the exact strategy for starting a new dropshipping store and growing it successfully. Starting a dropshipping store can be overwhelming due to the various steps and strategies involved. The key to success is finding a winning product, creating a visually appealing store, effective marketing to attract customers, and efficiently running the business and shipping orders. To find a winning product, it is important to look for products that are trending on social media, have mass appeal, and have good profit margins able to sell for at least 3 times the cost to ship to the customer. It is also crucial to do thorough research on the competition and find a way to differentiate the product and offer better value. For the store, it is important to have a visually appealing design and easy navigation. This can be achieved through using a professional theme and high-quality product photos. The store should also have trust signals, such as a professional logo, security badges, and customer reviews. Marketing is essential to attracting customers to the store. The best way to start is by running Facebook ads targeted at a specific audience. It is also important to test different ad creatives and targeting options to find the most effective approach. Another effective strategy is to use influencer marketing by partnering with influencers on social media who have a large following in the relevant niche. Running the business and fulfilling orders efficiently is also important to maintain customer satisfaction and avoid any issues. This includes finding reliable suppliers, setting up automated email marketing, and using a good shipping and fulfillment process. Overall, starting a dropshipping store requires research, planning, and strategy, but by following these steps, it is possible to build a successful store. Thank you for watching this video on starting a dropshipping store from scratch. I hope you found it helpful and that it has given you a good starting point for creating your own successful store. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.